Ronseal Ultimate Protection Decking Oil offers superior decking protection and lasts up to twice as long as Ronseal's original decking oil formula. It's rainproof in 90 minutes and it comes in clear and 5 other tints, perfect for all smooth and grooved decking. It also contains UV filters to help prevent colour fade. A quick reminder, Ronseal Ultimate Protection Decking Oil is water-based and is therefore not compatible with Ronseal Decking Oil, which is solvent-based. Do not apply in damp conditions, when rain is likely or if the temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius, and always do a test area to check you're happy with the look. Treat 3 to 4 decking boards at a time to avoid overlap marks. Redistribute any excess oil along the decking boards or wipe off with a clean cloth. Allow 4 hours drying time between coats. And allow 24 hours to dry completely before normal day-to-day use. Decking oils are very easy to apply and maintain, so when it does start to look a little worn or tired, a thin maintenance coat is all that is needed to make the decking look like new again. You can speak to our wood care experts on the phone and online. Head over to our website woodfinishesdirect.com to find everything you need for your project at great prices. And if you're in the Folkestone area, why not call into our shop on Park Farm Industrial Estate? Wood Finishes Direct, the wood care experts.